See you later. I've had this idea for a while and I thought I'd make it happen. So here I have some sage green paint. I'm painting this frame. I got this very cheap, and this is some scrap wood I had. I'm cutting that into pieces and I'm stirring that in to create this box. I'm also painting this sage green as well. I want both the frame and the box to match. Perfect. I swear this is the best wood glue I've ever used. So I'm lining that box I made with the wood glue and putting the frame right on top. Just press that in good and then flip this around. These are from the frame and now I'm adding that to the back. This is some contact paper. Pick any design you want. I thought this one would match perfect. Peel that, and now I'm adding that to my wall and carefully just taking that layer right off just like this, smoothing it right onto my wall. Now it's time for art creation. Put that over top the contact paper. And I'm a plant lady, so I'm adding in all my cute little plants. I have some fun frames I got from the thrift store. A lot of these planters I got there as well. All right, everyone, look how cute this DIY shelf looks. I'm showing you the 3 layers we have here, and now I'm going to pull back and show you the final. I am so obsessed with this. This looks so much better than just my regular old frame. I love the sage green. Let me know what you think in the comments of this cute rustic shelf idea. Seriously, this was so easy to do. And a lot of these little trinkets here I got at the thrift store. I did not spend more than $20 on anything that's on the shelf. Hope you love it. Look what I've got here. I've got a paintbrush. I'm wrapping my toilet bowl, and now I have some beautiful matte black paint and some scrap wood that I had. I'm painting that matte black. I have some bigger pieces and some smaller pieces, and I'm painting them all the same color. Now I'm taking my wood, and it is tool time. I'm screwing that into the wall just like this, and I'm adding 3 layers. Now get your smallest pieces of wood, and I'm adding that to each side just like that. Next, it's time for the longer pieces. I'm just using a nail gun here to secure those in place right underneath, and I'm also adding some pieces directly on top. Slide in some shorter pieces, and now it's time to add the face. Just get your nail gun and secure that into each plank just like this. Be careful. And now it's time to add all your fun home accents. I'm a big plant gal, so I gotta add that, and I'm just adding what I think would look really cute in a bathroom. Here's the before. Everything feels so blah. Nothing special about this bathroom. And this is the after. I didn't want to overspend on beautifying my bathroom, so this was a very no frills, cheap way to renovate. You can put whatever you want on these shelves. This is just what I chose. Without painting or redoing tile, no new fixtures, just shelves. Making these shelves invisible really made them look expensive. Okay, and I just wanted to show you option 2. I decorated the shelves just a little bit differently. There's really no wrong choice, everyone. But a beach picture is always good. I added a cute book, some family photos. Seriously, anything is better than what I had. Don't give up on your bathrooms, everyone. Hope this helps. Invisible shelves for the win.